Blizzard conditions are slamming the Northeast, bringing major cities to a standstill.
But as you can see here from this live look from Times Square, courtesy of EarthCam, some are enjoying the winter weather. Jared Hill reports from New York City.
Heavy snow swirled in blizzard-like winds across the Northeast, shutting down major cities.
This winter has been particularly tough, and this winter is not for the faint of heart.
Providence, Rhode Island set an all-time snowstorm record with almost 3 feet of snow. Atlantic City, New Jersey got more than a foot.
Visibility is like zero. I can't see in front of my face right now, and I'm frozen.
Places like Babylon on New York's Long Island are also seeing record accumulations with at least 30 inches. The storm was too dangerous even for snowplows. This one flipped on its side. This nor'easter is now one of the 10 biggest storms in New York City history.
We are plowing streets and doing everything we can to keep our roadways clear so that emergency vehicles can get through. These are dangerous conditions.
Most New Yorkers stayed off the roads with the rare travel ban in effect, but you just couldn't keep people from coming out to check out this real-life snow globe in Central Park. At the height of the storm, some residents were seen getting around on skis, even stepping out in snowshoes.
It's been nice in the park because since it's still falling, it's really deep. They haven't been able to keep up with it quite yet.
In the Philadelphia area, people sheltering in place captured scenes of a winter wonderland. But at the nation's airports, anything but smooth sailing, with thousands of flights grounded in this latest bout of winter weather. Jared Hill, CBS News, New York.